products I have switched out and why I kind of went organic. And I'm just going to give you a few tips on what I've used, what's worked for me, and hopefully I can share them with you and they can help you as well. I decided to go organic because of my firstborn. He developed some eczema and he started getting rashes, and with that I did what any mom should do, which was look for research and look for resources to fix the problem. The biggest thing I discovered while doing the research was trust no one. Trust no label, trust nothing, because it's all a bunch of crap, and you need to really look at the labels on things and the ingredients. Not the labels, but the ingredients, because the ingredients is what is really inside of your products or your food. The labels on top of everything else is just advertising. My advice for anyone who's trying to transition or become healthier and more organic, even if your family doesn't want to go along with you, start somewhere. And it doesn't have to be your whole pantry. It doesn't have to be all of your beauty products. It just needs to start somewhere. My biggest mistake, and which a lot of people do, is you look at your products and you start finding out all this information. You're like, oh my God, look at my cabinets. Everything is toxic. It's going to kill us. It hasn't done it yet. So use what you have, get rid of it, and slowly start bringing organic stuff into your household. So for example, if you have regular strawberries, start going and buying organic strawberries once the strawberries you have at home. Also, another advice is find a local farmer's market or even a farm, because a lot of the times they have resources. You can even exchange your services as a laborer and get free strawberries. So it just all depends on your location and your budget and what you're willing to do. So when you're going organic, it's not just food, it's not just beauty, it's everything around us. It is obviously the basics is food and beauty products, but your sheets can be organic. It's down to your mattress. When transitioning to being organic, obviously it's not just food, it's not just beauty, it's everything. But one of my main products that I use is coconut oil, which I have here. You can literally use this thing for any and everything. You can use it for your hair, you can use it for your body, you can use it even to whiten your teeth. You can use it for cooking. You can use it for pretty much anything. You can even use this with a little bit of essential oils and clean your furniture, your wood furniture that you have at your home. So it's really versatile and you can use it any and everywhere with everything. So as you've heard me before, I really love coconut oil. It's pretty much, it is like the gold of everything of transitioning. It's the cheapest one. You could buy it in bulk, but I cannot use it on my face. With trial and error, I have found out that vitamin E oil, and I have it here, vitamin E oil does not break out my face. This one here is from Derma E. And with deodorants, I think we've all have this struggle. First of all, it's natural. So it's not going to stop the sweat and the funk from coming out. You just have to get grasp and understand and prepare yourself. Sometimes wipes I use, I think they're 100% pure wipes or something like that. They're baby wipes that I use for my son. And sometimes throughout the day I just need to like freshen up and wipe it off and reapply some deodorant. This is one deodorant that I have fell in love with. I have tried numerous of them. I think it's called Schmidt's and the Bearmont Lime. This one, I think, yeah, this one just smells fresh. Also, another tip is to detox your arms. You need to detox all of that, especially if you've had 20 plus years using toxic deodorant. You need to get all that stuff out of your body. I have used, I think it's called, I don't have it with me, but I think it's called biotin clay. and apple cider vinegar. And you do it, it's 1 part of each, and you basically, you could do it for your face and you could do it for your armpits, and I think you leave it on for about 15 to 30 minutes depending how much you want to detox. And so for toothpaste, I would say the best thing to do, there's a couple of different ways if you want to go completely natural. Since I was a little girl, my dad told me use baking soda, it whitens your teeth. So people used to think in high school that I used to whiten my teeth, but I didn't. I just used baking soda. But back then I was using fluoride toothpaste, which is very toxic as well to you. But today I have some Toms, which this is for coconut oil. Coconut oil is also good. So you can mix a few things, and coconut oil is more so like a mouthwash. So you just want to start with a little bit. Start with 5 minutes, work it up to 20 minutes. As long, I mean, you can even watch a show or a movie or read a book, something to get your mind off of it, because it is weird at first, but once you get used to it, it does a world of a difference. And I never used to believe, for the longest time, I would not understand the purpose of a toner. It didn't make sense. I was like, this is not working. I thought it was gonna clear my skin, but actually toners, they balance out your skin. And the one that I use is also a mist that you can use in the summer over your makeup. Like even if you're at the beach and you just feel like super dry and dull, spray this stuff on. I'm telling you, it's like gold. So the one I use is witch hazel. And this is from Thayer's. I hope I'm not butchering that wrong. But it's the witch hazel aloe vera formula, and it's alcohol free, and it's in the scent the rose petal. I have used. So if you guys have made it this far throughout the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips have helped you and encourage you to do better and be better with going organic, and even if you're not going organic, just to a better and healthier lifestyle.